Do you know you can get the best luxury home here in Lagos without even having to break the bank? Yes, you don't need to break your bank for this. Like owning the best luxury home that you desire, you, your family, and all you can think of. You can get the best luxury home without breaking the bank here in Lagos, and specifically on the Lagos Island along Lekki Ekpe Expressway. You don't need to break the bank for this. And this is the Alverton Court. Yes, the Alverton Court is an off-plan project currently ongoing. An amazing project that people are securing. Like the phase 1 came out, people rushed it within the space of 6 months, and it was sold out even before it was delivered to the rightful owners. This project was set to be delivered within 18 months, but it was delivered upon to the owners before the 18 months. Now, we have the phase 2, which is an upgrade to the phase 1, and it is currently an off-plan project. Yes, I am standing on this ground. Now, you can see the work that is currently ongoing. Yes, 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 you see this. Yes. Now, it is located inside Ajayi Apata, and we all know where Ajayi Apata is. It's an estate along the Lekki or Sangotedo Expressway. Now, specifically close to Farah Park. You know where Farah Park is. People come here to have all the fun they can think of. People come here to sit and relax, and we just have this sharing fence with it. And now the beautiful part of this estate is the fact that you don't need stress, you don't need worry. We will be having a gym house, we will be having 24/7 security, 24/7 power supply, of course water supply, unlike the likes of other areas in Lekki. Now, the beautiful part about this project is the fact that the developers of this project are well registered under the Redan Lagos chapter. Of course, the Real Estate Developers Association of Nigeria, meaning your investment is secure. You need not to worry about who those people are, if your investment will be safe, because yes, your investment is safe. And when I come to your screen to bring luxury, because I always bring luxury, now you should know that that luxury investment is safe and secure. You need not to worry, because we and I personally have vetted this property. Check it for your own investment security, so you don't need to worry. Now, what we'll be having here is a 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom Terrace Duplex, and we'll be having just 9 units. Just 9 units. The first, like I told you, got sold out. People were asking for more. And that is why we are bringing this here. Now, this video is also to be serve as an update video from the last time I uploaded the situation on site. This is to be an update video to the other video. Now, I did say that you'll be worried that this is in the bush, but it's actually not in the bush. It is not in the bush. It's actually in a serene environment, away from the hustle, the bustle of Lagos State. Like the perfect location for you to be, whereby you have gone all through all the stress in Lagos, all right? You know, the noise and all of that. You just come here and just relax. You don't need to stress. You don't need to worry yourself. Do you understand? Now, the phase 1 you're looking right now, like the phase 1 you're seeing right now, it's a beautiful project. It's a magnificent project. As you're seeing, you can see it, right? You can see the entire estate. You can see how beautiful it is. Each of them having their own two car parking space. Like, it's a terrace duplex, but you have your own, you know, your own home to yourself. Well fitted, well and suit. Beautiful, isn't that so? Now, my question to you is, why are you not thinking of the Alverton estate? Like, look at how beautiful this estate is. Look at how beautiful this is. The phase 2 will be an upgrade to this. The phase 2 will be an upgrade to this. So, if you're thinking investment, you should be thinking the Alverton. If you're thinking investment, you should be thinking this estate.